What's up, guys? Hope you're guessing I'm here with
Okay, Zanu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We're back with another song from Whiskey Life 2 album. One step ahead. Right. So far. So matter they are crazy.
Yeah, the album, it's
Different songs, chichi, different vibe, or what? Maybe Utipisa, Power, Zero Dose.
I think the album, you know, that we have to give me a week. Those on to buy a proper review.
Week. You're doing us also 1 to 30.
And that we have to the full album. Okay. I'm about to do all my song, but
Yeah. So we just will pay the full review. Which basically. Yes. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video of the song. Like and subscribe. So remember, comment down below what's your favorite song. Whiskey Life 2 or GG basically.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, let's get it.
Let's get it.
Alex, get it paid, boy. Please, get it play. Yeah. 10. I'm still dreaming, did it one step ahead. Rasta by fames and the pass him and game. Gas, I drink half and I pass to the bread. After that, buy him something on the year. Ha. And I'm all about the sorrow.
The Mego Jigs in it.
Waneng wajarwa kaka dance better and who's running.
But holding down away.
Yeah. Waneng wajarwa dance better and who's running.
We'll see. One step ahead. We'll see.
Make the money dance, tambalombolo. Got so many plans and I just want go. Gomo. Yeah. Top 10 do is severe go front. Count a pop 10, tell him this some dance. Road they go pinda mashingom land. My moskin chembe kezo moli bunch. Wally bunch. My moskin chembe kezo moli bunch. Wally bunch. Yeah. Hard grind on H-Town, way. I'm always on time like a break time, babe. I don't mix, them a guys are the emo. Simba Simplex, be the guys in Bimbin. Godzilla, I can Godzilla. Popeye, I got pizza Georgina. No spice, gang.
Woo! Popeye, I got pizza Georgina. Yo. I don't see that. The language you're
Holy will be holy, but of course.
But anyways.
But of course.
But I like the visuals. I'm a visuals. I go
into that dance better.
But I dance better.
Those are go there. I dance better. I don't got pizza.
Yeah?
I dance better. I don't got pizza.
I don't go to so hey, good. Maybe just something I got me, boys. I to pizza. So yeah.
Yakafinza Godzilla. Popeye yakapedza Georgina. No spice, gang, really true. Don't lie, bring proof. Sanitize cause my nice and a flu. One time video.
Sanitize my nice and a flu.
Or better.
Yeah.
Did you get the bar?
I understand that.
Sanitize. Cause my nice and a flu. Arurara kunzo. So be safe. Be safe. Anyways.
The wife my Jew, Wesley. Ties cause my nice and a flu, One time for the wife my Jew, Wesley.
Of Obrizering.
I am Kumana is off the market. We like to see it.
Wow.
We like to see it.
I want face and down Katswaki. I want Kankatinga Sota Chachukwati. Face and down Katswaki. So true because you know there's so many songs it seems I made you.
No, what's that graduate album?
Anyways, and
ties cause my nice and a flu, One time for the wife my Jew, Wesley, did I'm a culo. Big money wrestling, bigger than sumo. Work on the destined, focus and do more. Money ziva, la familia. Staka, pinda baka for vigilance. Staka jiniwa, pasari jima. I'm still dreaming, did it one step ahead. Rasta by fames and the pass him and game. Gas, I drink half and I pass to the bread. After that, buy him something on the year. And I'm all about the sorrow. Make the money dance, tambalombolo. Got so many plans and I just want go.
step ahead.
On step ahead. Another vibe song.
Sorry, boss. Now step ahead. Wow.
Yeah.
That's a nice album.
Yeah, and like I said, I need to listen one to it. Because if I was
So
to
far,
rate,
okay. Right now, so far, how do you rate? Count it. Those who are so rate, I think those
who because at this moment, there's some songs I can vibe to, some songs I vibe to.
Yeah. Obviously, you can't vibe with.
Yeah, there's some songs I liked, some songs I didn't, to be honest. Which one that was like I said in the last one, I want to go Jambisa, not direction. I'm not a big fan of those items.
Okay. So but shout out to the producer of the album. Shout out to the one in Africa at AJ. I think I enjoy to run my videos and commonize because doing it, Yes. So guys, that's it for the reaction.
Comment down below your favorite songs, guys.
Chungisa kana top 5. Top 5, top 3 with which one? Isu start to name ndani yangu. Iwa ni yako first. Ngozi ya wani.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So fun to me one.